You can't see the visually it is different between this one, which has a thick, you can see it's completely filled, the shape. Here you can see the way I'm moving the hand also, it is different, and so the effect, it is different. There's gaps between them. It looks like leaves. I mean, when the movement of the leaves. I used to walk in the park, I used to feel the movement of the leaves. If you see the work, when I do the scratches, in each one has a different sound. But there is harmony in the end when I show them affecting by the sunlight. So when the suns move, the sounds on the surface of the paper also, it moves. I was emphasizing to make something which is impossible possible, like a sound of the angle example. You can't hear the sound of the angle, but I want people to visualize the sound. I'm sure if you put this paper in the drawer, you're shutting the sounds. And move the papers any place, it will come different sound. There's sound which we can't hear sometimes, which is blow the silence. And in my work, if someone wants to touch the paper, they can't feel that sound. When I started, it was quite just to know the secret of the material. Each material has its own secrets. So it's like a composing also on the paper. Some of them I fill the paper completely. Some of them you can see the distance between them. That meaning the sound also, it is different. When I was a child, I started to play music before I started also painting, and I started with oud. And also I'm influenced by the experimental music, so that's why my work, I mean the new sketches which I'm doing, it doesn't relate it with our Arab classic music. So through my discussion with Hassan, when he was providing me all this essays about John Cage and Philip Glass, and I used to hear some of their albums, and so that then I decided to find for me the way to keep that sound in my way. So that's why I started to scratch paperwork since 1990.